Hi everyone, welcome back to another Tool Time Tuesday. And today we got a way to notch any kind of tubing, and it's got a few extra features as well. So whether you're trying to notch round, square, and what about flat plate? Can you notch that? So today we have the Strong Hand Tools Notcher. Pretty nice setup, and it's got this plate that everything mounts to. And these little pads, you can unscrew them and put them anywhere on this plate. So depending on which pattern you put the little V blocks in, it's marked on the back side of the plate. 0, 15, 30, and 45. Then there's this adjuster pad that you can unlock the slide and micro adjust it up or down, and it'll rotate as well. It's got pre-marked angles on it. Needle bearings, and at first a clamp seems like it would be hard to work with, but really the trick is this little V pad. So I'll leave this in the links below. But once it tightens up, it gets pretty tight. So whether you're notching round, so what if you have square and you're trying to notch it? If you've laid this out and you know right where the notch needs to be, you can clamp this right in place and just notch it wherever you want. Or if you have a piece of plate, you can set that on here and you can notch that as well. Technically it's hole sawing. This comes with a magnet that goes on this jaw that looks a lot like these little V pads. I'll leave a link for this in the description, because this was, to me, what made this work really well. This little V pad works great if you're doing round or if you're doing flat work. The little magnetic pad tends to fall off now and then, but this, it doesn't care if it's round or flat. So round, square, or flat, Strong Hand Tool Notcher can definitely do it. Now we bought this notcher, you've seen it on the channel in the past. We've built quite a bit of stuff with it. But it's a pretty nice notcher. Sometimes it's hard to put a piece of square in if you're trying to butt up a piece of tube. What if you just got to drill a hole in something you don't have a drill press? Well, there you go. Hole saw works for this, especially if you happen to make caps for tubing. So check out the Strong Hand Notcher. I'll put the links in the description. Hopefully see you out at EJS. This will come out on Tuesday of EJS, so I'll see you there. And I'll see you here for places you use notcher just like that.